That's, I went walking and running in English. But I promise you, it's very good for hair and for your health and digestive system. But I use it for both things. Because I pretty much know how much it is. Since I've done it so many times, so I really know the measure. Now, I used to put as well chia seeds, okay? Because afterwards, I'm gonna drain all of the water, and that is gonna be like a creamy thing. Not really creamy, but I don't know how to explain. Like a weird sense, okay? So you are not gonna be eating the seeds over these ones. And a bit of chia seeds. And you're gonna boil it. Okay, let's put this one here. Do not boil it in very high temperature. You gotta have it on a medium, right? Like number 5, let's say. If your stove is like till 9, you have it on number 5. And ones as well. These are like flowery things. I don't really know how these are called in English, but for you who know it, so in German is this one here. They're like flowers, smell amazing, like really amazing smell. And I will good morning. I put like a decent amount of it actually. Because I like when my hair creams, they smell nice. I don't like if my hair cream don't smell nice. Oi, oi, oi. Kannst du dich auf meine... What?
Oh, da komme ich ja nie hoch. Wenn das nicht klappt, dann... Vertrau Ingrid. Versuch Indeed. Einfach ein Profil erstellen und einen Messenger finden. Mach's dir Indeed einfach. Jetzt Profil erstellen.
Where is my...
Was wird für viele Regeln gebrochen?
I don't have any more. Whatever, it's okay. Guten Tag. It's called Clubs. Okay, that one. I don't remember the name of it. Actually, I'm very bad at names. I remember like names. Look how hot is inside. Even the coconut oil, it's like has melted. Crazy. Okay. So while nothing boils, whatever. Take a bit of time till that is ready. What is the most powerful thing in the world? What is that? Oh, cloves, yeah. They are very nice for health. And I would recommend if you put like cinnamon as well, if you have the stick, but I do not have sticks, so I'm just gonna put a decent amount of